I will be using a pink marker to do all of my basic shapes, but I recommend using a pencil. That way you can erase all of your basic shapes once you're done.
Welcome, fellow artists, to Kimiko Arts. Today, we're going to be learning how to draw a butterfly. I hope you enjoy.
I'm going to be starting with the basic shapes for this butterfly to make it much easier to draw. First, I'll begin with a circle for the basic shape of the head. After I have the circle completed, I'm going to draw a line going down as far as I like for as long as I would like the body to be. Then I'm going to add 2 more curve-shaped lines to each side of the butterfly's body. And this is going to make the body seem a little bit thicker. And I like my butterflies to have kind of a thinner bottom of the body, so if you like, you can have yours kind of come down to a point as well. Then I'm going to add the wings. So the basic shapes for the wings are lines. I'm going to add 2 curved lines going out to each side, and I'm going to double check to make sure that they're the same length before I move on. Then I'm going to add 2 more curved lines for the butterfly's wing. Then I'm going to move on to the other side, and I'm going to carefully watch to make sure that the lines that I make mirror the wing on the other side. This can be extra tricky, so I might have to do a few practice lines back and forth to get it right. And that's okay. Then I'm going to add that last bottom half of the wing by adding 2 more curved lines that are joined together. Then I'm going to add the antennas. So I'm going to add 2 lines going up as far as I would like the antennas to go. Now that the basic shapes of our butterfly are complete, we have a chance to really dazzle this butterfly and make it look extraordinary. You may be asking, how can I do that? And the answer is, well, you're going to add lots of different lines and shape. What's important to remember when you are decorating your butterfly is that both sides should be the same or mirror one another. So if you add a circle to one side on a wing, you want to add a circle on the other side as well, around the same area. Now around my butterfly's body, I'm adding what I like to call cloud lines. So there are a whole bunch of curved lines that are joined together. Next, I'm going to add a few lines around the inside edge of my butterfly wings, just to give my butterfly a little bit of vavoom. Next, I'm going to add an oval shape to the wing, and then another oval on the other side. Then I'm going to fill in the rest of the bottom wings by adding a few lines that are joined to that one corner. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So the lines are coming from the oval all the way to the wing corner. Then, just to add a little bit more pizzazz, I'm going to add 2 more circles within the ovals. Now I'm going to move to the top portion of the wings, and I'm going to start by adding 3 circles, 1 medium-sized one and 2 smaller ones on both sides. Then I'm going to add almost like a mountain, a rounded mountain shape on the inside of the wings, just to give them a little bit more texture. They're going to start at the bottom and then go all the way up and almost touch the top outline of the wings. Next, I'm going to work on the head. I'm going to add 2 eyes. Then I'm going to add what I like to call cloud lines to the edges of the antennas. I'm going to use the line of the antenna as a guide to make those cloud lines. And in the end, you should get really amazing, voluminous antennas. Now for the final step. To outline the lines we want to keep to form our butterfly. This will leave a polished look to your final piece, so don't forget to do it. Remember not to outline the shapes you don't want to see. After you have finished outlining, be sure to erase all of the pencil lines. This will make your butterfly look more outstanding. There you have it, a butterfly at its finest. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. So there you have it, a spectacular looking butterfly. Well done.
Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.